Your favorite influencer brand just got bought out by this big corporate. Welcome to day 22 of 100 days of sector snippets. So recently, a 40-year-old FMCG company in India called Marico has been hitting its all-time highs in the stock market. Now, if you don't know what Marico is, remember that blue bottle of parachute oil sitting in every Indian bathroom? That's them. But that's not the reason why they're hitting their all time highs. The reason actually is quite the opposite. From the last 40 years, every Indian household had products like Parachute, Saffola, Navratna. These were products of classic Indian FMCG giants like ITC, HUL, Marico. And the reason why our parents bought it because that's all they could see on the shelves of their nearest Kirana stores. These brands won because they were everywhere. Every Kirana store, every second TV ad, and that was their entire playbook. But now think about how Gen Zs shop. See, half of India's population is under 25 today, and they don't discover products on a Kirana store. That's just not cool enough for them. They find products on Instagram or YouTube. Their favorite influencer talks about yoga bar, and the next thing they do is order it on Blinkit, and in next 10 minutes, it's at their door. And you don't see three options on Blinkit. You see 20 different popcorn brands, 15 different protein brands, and 10 different granola brands. Things that could never exist on a Kirana shelf. Small D2C brands today have the same visibility as the big guys, and that is becoming a massive headache for these legacy FMCG giants because their core products are just not growing anymore. Marico's flagship product volumes have been flat, sometimes even declining. These are slow, stagnant businesses, and the consumer they need the most, the under 25 crowd, is just not ready to buy from them. So, what to do? Buy the brands that this generation is already obsessed with. And that is exactly what's happening in this sector right now. Marico bought out Beardo, Cosmix, Plix, 4700 BC. ITC bought out Yoga Bar, the number one protein bar brand in India. HUL acquired Minimalist. Imami bought out the Man Company. And Tata Consumers bought Soulful. Two-thirds of all FMCG acquisitions in the last 5 years have been in these digital-first D2C brands. It's not a coincidence, it's a strategy. From an investing perspective, these digital brand portfolios are still small compared to the core business of these FMCG giants. But Marico's digital brands are crossing 1000 crore in annual revenue and they expect it to be 25% of its Indian revenue in 3 years. But it's not a blind buy. Not every acquisition is going to be a yoga bar success story. So if you're watching this space, track ITC, Marico, HUL, Tata Consumer, but track the right things. How fast are these digital brands growing? Are they turning profitable? What percentage of their total revenue are they becoming? Because the next leg of FMCG growth is not going to come from coconut oil. It's going to come from the brands you've already scrolled past on Instagram and have ordered on Blinkit. For more sector snippets, follow Markets with Aditi.